guys, welcome to my new video. It's me, Roselyn Gabayeron. Tonight, I am going to make a fresh Vietnamese spring rolls with a twist. These are all the ingredients for our fresh spring rolls. Rice paper. You can find this in the Asian section of the store. 10 pieces of large prawns. So this is raw. And I'm going to stir fry it with ginger and garlic. So I cut it into half. And we are going to saute the prawns with a tiny bit of ginger, maybe a half inch. Just a tiny bit because our prawns are not that much. And also just a clove of garlic just to give a flavor into it. 2 chicken breasts. Actually, they are not that big. This is from my leftover roasted chicken. I think I am going to peel off the skin and cut into strips like this. Another interesting ingredient is singkamas. You can find singkamas in Asia. So it's usually grown in the tropical countries, and this is common in Mexico because Mexico is a hot country like Philippines too. And so in Spanish they call it jicama. Yeah, so that's how they call it, but in Philippines we call it singkamas. So instead of bean sprouts, I am going to put this singkamas or jicama. Alright guys, so I'm going to cut into half, and maybe I'm gonna use just a quarter of it. Oh my gosh, it's a bit hard. Oh wow. Okay, so that's how it looks like. So this is how we peel off the skin. Using your knife or peeler. Actually, it's just easy to peel off the skin with this. You see, it's very easy. Ooh, it's hard. Let's cut it into strips. Also need lettuce, so just only few leaves, so we shred it. Also 1 small carrot or half big carrot, and a capsicum, red capsicum. So we have to cut into fine strips. Also need fresh coriander leaves, or what do you call this? I don't know how they call it. Cilantro. Yeah. We also need few mint leaves. Alright, I am going to shred the mint leaves because they are quite big than coriander leaves. So Yeah, I find this it's a bit strong for me. Mint leaves are a bit strong for me, so I'm gonna shred. Sorry, I still have carrots, but doesn't matter. Still veggies. We finished chopping the ingredients, so we are going to cook our prawns. Put a tiny bit of oil and just saute for a few minutes. Now we are going to wrap our spring rolls. So in your plate, put a tiny bit of warm water, not too hot, just enough warmness, just warm, okay? And then for a few seconds, we are going to dip our rice paper in the plate in a warm water. Just repeat the process. Dip your rice paper into warm water and look, still a little bit hard, and just put it on the chopping board, because if it's still a little bit hard, it's easy to roll later. Roll it up. You see, now it's soft. So you just dip it in warm water for seconds, maybe just 2 seconds, and then while it's still hard, you just put it in the chopping board or on the plate, and then later it just gets soft by itself because of the water. I know if you are not, for the first time, it's a little bit tricky, but you will get used to it. Okay, so that's our fresh spring roll. I'm trying to be fast. I'm starving. So repeat the process until you make the desired amount of your spring rolls. How many rolls you want to make, okay? Perfect. So I'm going to roll from this side so that you can see. Okay, hold. Push it in. Push. And then like that. And as well. And here you go, rock and roll. Just roll. Okay guys, I made 7 fresh spring rolls with chicken and prawns. And I'm running out of prawns. So the rest of it, I'm just going to finish the ingredients and keep some in the fridge for my lunch tomorrow. Alright guys, I am going to make 2 types of sauces. First, I'm going to make lime and fish sauce with Thai sweet chili sauce. Okay, so using 1 lime juice, so we're gonna mix our sauce, lime and fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of Thai sweet chili sauce. Right, so that's it. So the taste, it should be like sweet and sour. Okay, so the second type of dipping sauce is using peanut butter. So it should be crunchy. So 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is a little bit sweet, right? For 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce looks like oyster sauce and peanut butter. Okay, I'm gonna use the same spoon. Oh my goodness guys, you can't believe it. Both of the sauces are so good, super delicious. So this is lime and fish sauce, and the other one is just 2 ingredients, peanut butter and hoisin sauce. OMG, I bet this. I don't like really sweet, but this one is, I really like it. So good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell for you to get updated for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Ciao.